I'm a filmmaker. For decades, I told stories of our planet. Wild places, real people, moments shaped by time. Now, with my wife as producer, that same eye turns inward. To the kitchen, to the food you take for granted. But tell me, do you know where your favorite dishes come from? Why they were cooked this way? Why they survived? This is not fast cooking, and it's not about tricks. It's about patience and meaning. Light that reveals processes, lenses that uncover details. Every tool of filmmaking used with purpose. Because every dish carries a story, a place, a moment, a reason. Here, we don't start with the recipe. We start with the question. Only then do we cook. Food filmed honestly, with restraint, with emotion. For those who want more than just something to eat. Welcome to the Tasty Cinema, where every dish has a story.